Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back, friends. Welcome back to another video lecture by Kami Microbiologist. Today in this video lecture we are going to start the MCQs journey of chapter number 9, that is the Medical Microbiology from 51. In the previous two video lecture related to the Medical Microbiology of chapter number 9, we talked total 50 MCQs. In the first video we talked 25, and then in the second video we talked the next 25. So total we talked 50 MCQs. Now in this video lecture we will start the MCQs from 51 and will end to the 80. Okay, in the previous series of videos lecture that is related to the medical microbiology, we talked different videos lecture, and we talked different video lecture that is related to the MCQs of microbiology. If you miss these video lectures, so the link of this video lecture will be present in the description box, which is the important MCQs of the microbiology. Then you will check out it and watch all the microbiology MCQs, which is really important for the GAT subject too. So let's start the 51 MCQs of the chapter number 9. So this says that antibiotic used for the treatment of the cholera, tetracycline. So tetracycline antibiotic are the mostly used antibiotic for the cholera. MCQs number 52 says that Salmonella typhi is the causative organism of, it is actually the causative organism of the enteric fever. 53 MCQs says that which of the following Salmonella paratyphi is the commonest in India. So mostly in India, paratype A is the most commonest type of the Salmonella in India. 54 MCQ says that in enteric fever the organ loading maximum number of the organism is, so mostly the maximum number of organism are found in the, so it's found in the gallbladder. B is the correct option. 55 true about enteric fever. For enteric fever, so it should be the bacteria, that is bacteremia, that will be in the first week. So A is the correct option. 56 gastroenteritis is caused by, it is mostly caused by Vibrio cholera parencolitis. C is the correct option. Then we have 57 MCQs which says that E. coli produce the following toxin. Mostly E. coli produce endotoxin. This is really important. Endotoxin E. coli is produced. The following infection caused by E. coli except meningitis. E. coli doesn't cause meningitis. Okay. Then we have diphtheria is caused by, so diphtheria is caused by Chromium bacterium diphtheria. A is the correct option. 60 causative organism of diphtheria was first demonstrated by Klebsiella lufrea. Number 61 says that Corynebacterium is what? Bacterium is actually gram-positive bacteria. A is the correct option. 62 C diphtheria consists of polymetaphosphate granules. B is the correct option. 63 MCQ says that the incubation period of diphtheria is, the incubation period is 2 to 4 weeks. Diphtheria virulence test is, this is the diphtheria virulence test, helical gel precipitation test. B is the correct option. 65 diphtheria toxide is prepared by using formalin. B is the correct options. Then we have 66 which says that diphtheria is an example of what? It's actually the example of toxemia. D is the correct option. 67 MCQ says that the main symptom of tuberculosis is, so the main symptom of the tuberculosis is tubercular formation. A is the correct option. 68 MCQ says that BCG vaccine is the prevention for, it is actually for the prevention of tuberculosis. Dose of BCG vaccine is, for dose of BCG the vaccine should be 0.1 ml. B is the correct option. Negative Montauk's test is important for the pulmonary Cochise syndrome. So A is the correct option. Then we have 71 MCQs which says that Bacillus calmette-guerin, which is the BCG, contain the A virulent strains of what? Bovine tubercular bacilli. Okay, so C is the correct option. 72 drug used against tuberculosis. So for tuberculosis we use all these 4 option is right. Okay, we can say that C is the correct option, both A, B. 73 MCQ says that the greatest number of the tuberculi bacilli is present in, so it will is present in the tuberculous cavity of the lungs, so D is the correct option. 74 MCQ says that Hastadine Hansen is a variety of what, so D is the correct option, Lepromatosia leprosi, so it is actually the variety of Lepromatosia leprosi. D is the correct option. 75 MCQ says that Streptococcus pyogenes produces all the following legend except parenchyma. D, except parenchyma, it doesn't produce the parenchyma. So, and the rest of the MCQ and the rest of the option is they can produce it. Then we have causative agent of scarlet fever. Causative agent of the scarlet fever is Streptococcus pyogenes. C is the correct option. Rheumatic fever is most commonly caused by Streptococcus pyogenes. B is the correct option. 78 MCQ says that penicillin is the drug of choice of scarlet fever. A is the correct option. 79 MCQ says that in human being streptopneumonia caused by, so it is mostly causes pneumonia. C is the correct option. Last MCQs, which is not the least, that says that virulence factor of the streptopneumonia. For the streptopneumonia, the virulence factor is the capsular polysaccharide. A is the correct option. So I think 80 MCQs will be enough in this video. Inshallah, in the next video we will cover total 100 MCQs. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.